Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walk around tour of our 2018 Mercedes-Benz V250D Sport 7-seater we have new in stock. I'm just going to walk you through some of the optional and standard features you get on this particular vehicle. To begin with the exterior of the car, you've got the sport styling features. That gets you some of the chrome trim around, the diamond turned alloy wheels, the privacy glass as well. You've got the roof rails on the top, LED tail lights and LED daytime running lights with bi-xenon headlights at the front. You've got a full leather interior with leather seating for all 7 passengers. You've got the 2 leather seats in the front with electric lumbar support for both driver and passenger. Also heated seats available. You've got a row of 2 seats behind and then a row of 3 seats in the rear of the car. You've got the 7-seat package, which includes the folding table in the centre area, the seat nets and the additional 12-volt sockets with the cup holders. In the front, your lever-wrapped multifunction steering wheel. You've got cruise control. You've got your command online system on the centre console area with the touchpad and access to your dynamic driving modes. Your climate control functions and infotainment controls. And on the centre screen, access to your optional 360 overview camera system, as well as some of your infotainment features, such as DAB radio. If you would like any more information, would like to book a viewing or a test drive on this 2018 V250D Sport, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end or inquire through our website.